Hello friends, welcome to Saral Gyan. In today's video, we will be learning about green notes in eOffice application. I will share some helpful tip at the very end of the video, so don't forget to watch it till the end. Hello friends, in our last video, we learned about yellow notes. If you haven't yet watched that video, the link will be shown on your screen and you can watch that video. And in this video, we will be talking about the green note. The difference between a yellow note and a green note is that the green note is a permanent note. Once you have written a green note and sent it to the other officer, it would always be the part of the file. It cannot be deleted or discarded once the file has been sent. So moving on, we will open a file. When we open a file, it opens in this way. The left side is our noting side and the right side is our correspondence side. So to create a new note, you will have to click on add green note. This screen will appear. Here you can start writing your note. This is a green note and it is permanent. The green note gets auto-saved after a certain period of time. Otherwise, you can also save a green note by clicking on this save button. So if I click on this save button, it says the note was saved at 3:45:04 p.m. After that, if you go to some other file also, for example, I go back to my inbox, I open this file, and then I again go back to my inbox. So here you can see that there is a small legend here, and this legend stands for draft note. It means there is one note which is pending in this file. When you are writing some note and you haven't finished it and you haven't sent the file either. So if we'll click on this, now the file will open in an editor mode and you will automatically get your previously saved note here. But if for some reason you want to discard the note, you can always click on this red button to discard the green note. So I will click on this red button and click on OK. And it has discarded my green note. And now to add a new green note, I will again have to click on add green note. So now our green note has opened. So in green note, you can also do the flagging of your correspondence side and noting side. And I have already made a video about it and I will leave the link here and you can go back to the video and you can check how to do noting of the correspondence side and your noting side. So now I will show you how to send a note. We can say this is a green note. You can also attach some PDF to your green note, and for that you will have to move down, and here you will get a attach button. Click on attach button, and here you can only select the PDF files. You can't attach Excel or anything. You can only attach the PDF file. It is a bit big file, so it will take some time. Okay, it has been attached. So now it has been attached, and you can also write, please refer to the attached PDF, and thereafter you will have to send, and here you can select the name of the officer to whom you want to send it and then click on send, and it will reach the other officer. In this case, I have sent it to myself, so I can open it up, and now you can see that my note is here and the attached PDF is also here. So this is a permanent note. Now I can't discard it, I can't delete it, and it will always be the part of the file. Moving on to the tips which I wanted to share with you. I have already shared how to save your note and how to discard your note, but there is also an option to add quick noting. There are some noting which are already available here. Quick noting, click on here and then click on this. So abolition of post has come. Similarly, you go in Hindi and Anumati di jati hai, you click on it and it comes here. Apart from that, if there is certain noting which you use often, you can add them in user defined noting. And for that, you will have to go to your settings. And here you can see this quick noting. You have to click on it. And you have to click on add. And you have to write, I use this noting quite often, and then you have to click on save. So now this has been saved. Now if I go back to my files, click on inbox and open the file, and here in quick noting in user defined, I use this noting quite often has come. I can select it and now the noting has already come here. This is one of the helpful tips which you can use. These three options are very helpful and you should use them as much as you can. As I already told you that you can flag the correspondence side and the previous noting in your current note. I have already made a video about it and I will leave the link in the description. You can check that video out. And this is it for this video. If you have enjoyed this video, please like it. And if you want to be notified about the future videos, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Bye bye. Thank you.